Good morning, children. So hope you had a good spring break. We're back. Well, we never really left, did we? Uh, yeah, I hope you had fun, stayed home, washed your hands a lot, and didn't touch anything. Yeah, back at it again, on Monday. So this week's schedule, remember, every single Monday, I'm gonna make a little video kind of talking about what we're gonna do and all that kind of good stuff. Um, here it is. Here's our video. So this week's schedule. So this is the big picture overview. So goals for the week. Be aware of daily attendance, be aware of new office hours, and finish submit serial box design. So be aware of daily attendance. So every single day that we have class, I'm gonna have you guys like sign in and basically do like a daily attendance. You'll see it in there. It's super simple. It's basically, are you here today? Yes. Click. Great. Remember on Mondays we do a weekly GIF type of check-in, and so you're gonna make a short little GIF. I'm gonna kind of walk you through that again in a second. I want you to finish your well, you should be working on your cereal box. If you've already finished, great. How can you make it better? Okay, think about composition, like hierarchy of information. What's the most important thing? What's the second most important thing? And what's the third most important thing? Look at other examples. Look at the examples on the class website. Um, if you want to bring in a like paper texture or like a cardboard texture or something like that from the internet, I'm okay with that. Just to kind of throw it on top and then change how you layer it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, that's okay. Maybe I'll make a short video that you can check out later this week. Um, but yeah, work on that thing, right? Is it four worthy, right? Is this the best, the hardest, the best looking thing that you can do? Or can you push it a little bit farther, right? Look at some examples. What have some other people have done in the past? Make it the best thing you can make. And then on B day, right? So we're still going to do that office hours slash Flipgrid check-in. So you can either choose to either come pop in, say hi, just to make sure I see your face and you're alive, or you can go in and I'll put in on Wednesday or whatever our B day is. There'll be a Flipgrid link where you can go in and just kind of answer whatever my dumb question is for that day and respond to it that way. Okay. Um, Also, changing of the office hours. So be aware that I had my office hours from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and now it's going to be from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Okay, just because there was too many people, just like, it's too early. So yeah, so we're switching that. I do want to kind of walk you through really quick that one of the other options for your GIF. So I was talking with somebody and we were using this one, so easygif.com. There's a link in Monday, but you're basically doing it, it's getting started in a similar way. Watch the tutorial video on how to shoot your video on your Chromebook, as well as how to go in and change the file format, because that's super important. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to actually upload it, right? So go in, look at that short little video of how to do that. But the rest of it's pretty much the same. All right, so you're going to bring it in, you're going to upload it. And so let's look at this. So here you obviously have a lot more options. So let's go back to our home really quick. Is this going to work for me? So video to GIF, right? I'm going to upload a video. So I have to choose file, right? So it says, oh, I couldn't find it, right? So I know on my desktop it is this video. Hit open. Now I can upload. Remember, I want these to be your own videos, oh boy, so slow. Not just some random thing that you pull from the internet. Okay, so I want you to make your own little short clip videos for this. You don't necessarily have to be in it, right? So, be creative with it. Cut video. So to cut the video, the easiest way we have found to do it is actually you're going to play it, right? And you can actually, this is called scrubbing. So kind of going through, and I'm going to find the spot there. Okay, so I'm going to find two spots that are similar-ish. so I can see a little bit of the cover. So I'm going to go start time, use current position. And then I'm going to go to the next one. So that's pretty close to where we started. And so use current position. Cut video. Now I can see what it's going to look like down here. Cool. So then we basically just go to video to GIF. All right, and then convert to GIF. We have to watch the dancing cat. All right, boom, that's it, right there. Okay, and then hit save. Boop. You see here, you can actually hit optimize. You can actually add weird effects and that kind of stuff. You can change hue, saturate. You can play around. There's a lot more options for editing and that kind of stuff. But when you hit save, it should save it to your files or in your Google Drive. And then from there, like I'm on my Mac, obviously, so it's a little bit different. But so now I have my GIF, which is here. And then I can just throw that into the little discussion board. Boom. And then we are good to go. All right. So yeah, so that's what's going on. Let me know if you have questions, comments, concerns, any of that stuff. Please remember to reach out, do your videos or your Flipgrid or your check in with me on the B-Day. But you can also obviously reach out to me via email, via Schoology, or any day during my office hours. All right. Good luck this week. Get this stuff done, and we'll go from there.